Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we have a treat for you. We're going to be looking at the house actress Christine Reyes. Their house here is located in Portofino Heights, and what's included in this house is it needs some minor renovation. That's included in the price, and brand new AIRCONS are also included in the price. So let's go tripping and check this out. Okay, as you can see in the house front here, it has a 4-car garage, automatic door openers. Just pan up here to the roof part. Lots of nice pine trees in front here. So let's go on in and check it out. There's some things that have to be fixed, which is all included in the price. The AIRCONS are not in place, but we'll put brand new ones. So when you first come in, you can see it has a big open space here, and to the right you have either a formal living room, and then you have sliding glass doors here, which could be used as a mid-living room every day, maybe a possible TV room, so you can close the sliding glass doors. As you can see, there's one there, one here, and one here. You could actually close the sliding glass doors and watch TV in here and have privacy. Or this could be a formal dining, which would walk out to the back area here, where they have this table set up. See, you got a pretty big sized backyard, but we'll go check this out later. Let's go over this way. This would be probably, you could use as the dining area, but informal. So the reason why there's a little renovation that needs to be done is because there was a leak in an upper bathroom which leaked down, and so they're going to replace everything. Replace some of the flooring that got damp because they used artificial flooring up there instead of tile, so it has to be replaced. So nice granite countertops. And then we go in here. You have a dirty kitchen. And then you have the gate to the backyard, but we'll look at that later. And you got a lot of closet space over here for probably cleaning products and things like that. But we'll go outside later. Let's go upstairs. See the nice sink area and bar? Put some bar stools up against there. This area here is for the ref. And of course that area over there is for the stove. But let's go upstairs. Oh, and in this room here, I forgot to show you, that leads out to the garage, but we'll check that out later. And I'll open this door. As you can see, sorry, the electricity is not turned on, so it's kind of dark, but you can see there's a nice pedestal, nice guest bathroom tiled up to the ceiling with very nice tile. Good choice. And then you see that door kicked open a little bit. That's a storage area. So let's go upstairs. The house is painted in a pastel theme, it looks like. So when you walk up to the top of the stairs, you immediately have this sliding glass door. And see like example I was telling you, this floor here got warped because of the water leak. It's got a big shelf here for TV, so this looks like it was used for a TV room. And then it's got a balcony here that you can go out and remember that table that was out front, so you can look down on the table in the backyard. Lots of space out here for a swimming pool. Lots of space. And the living room and dining room would have a view of that pool if you decided to put a pool in. So let's go to the left here. See that mirrored door? That's just a closet for towels and things. It just has shelves in there. See, and this flooring here will need to be replaced. And as you can see, when the actress left, she took the AIRCONS, so we'll replace all the AIRCONS. which is included in the price. You can see your vanity area here and cabinets. And this bedroom has its own CR. And behind the door is a shower. You can see the glass there. Again, sorry for the lighting because there's no electricity here. Let's go over this way and see this other bedroom. This flooring here will need to be replaced. What's probably going to happen is we'll replace the flooring with tile. So the buyer can choose the tile that they'd like to have in each bedroom or throughout the second floor. So that's kind of nice. The buyer can choose the tile. And of course the ACs that are put in, you can get inverters. There's another door across the way here, but we'll come back to that because that's part of the master bedroom, which is over here. So we'll go in the master bedroom. We got this woodwork here. Let me just get in the corner here and I can pan around the room for you. It's got big windows here. See that? Nice high ceiling. And it's got a shelving thing. It looks like they kept their TV there and Wi-Fi and everything. That means most likely from the Wi-Fi, the bed was in front of this wood design as the backboard of the bed. So then you got a sliding door here. And as you can see here, you got his and hers sink area with a giant mirror in there. I know those giant mirrors are hard to put in too. Then you have the glass shower over here. You can see that the shower comes out from the ceiling. That's cool. And then if we pan, I'll just walk over here and pan this way. Got the CR and then a nice one-man tub. I actually like that kind of tub. And then when you walk through the door here, see this has a glass door here. See that? That goes to the bathroom. And then you have a vanity area here to put makeup on with lights all around it. See that? Nice. And then you have shelving over here. And then over here you have the glass sliding door closets, as you can see me in there. Hey, what's happening? Then you have windows behind there that brings light in, so that's pretty nice. So, but for those people that have a lot of shoes, I have a little extra here for you. Because the actress has made a shoe area up on the third floor. See that? She got racks built here for shoes all the way around. So if you got a Imelda Marcos shoe collection, you got a nice storage space right here. And then inside the dome, you have this cool roof design, which you could hang a chandelier from down that if you'd like. And then I'm going to show you something that's interesting. See this window here? See that flat area on the roof there? Many people make a door here and then make a balcony right there. So that's a pretty cool idea. I've seen some really nice balconies from that, from designs. So let's go down and check out the garage area, the back area, and the side area. This is a great deal too. This house is worth a lot. And it's being sold below market value just because of the renovation. But the renovation's kind of nice because then you can choose the tile you like. You can choose the AIRCONS you like. And any other painting that needs to be done, you can choose the colors. So that's pretty nice. So let's go out this way. I'll show you the side yard. See that? I'd say from the door to the wall is probably 30 feet. So I'll come over here to give you an idea. This is a lot of space here. You could easily put up a pool here. See that? Look how much space you have back here. Huh? Easily put a pool, deck, entertainment area, barbecue pit, the whole 9 yards. Then you got this stone path. Sorry, we got a few branches here from the storm. See, they got a big gas tank back here. Then we come through the back part. They got this interesting wall design they made. And this walks into the garage. But over there, you see that door? That's maid's room. And you got this hangout area / wash area. See that? It's all enclosed. So the garage area is open. You can see this is a double door garage, automatic opener, dual setup. See, there's another one. See that? Hold on, I got a piece of tape stuck to my foot. Okay, over here is, like I said, there's no electricity, but I'll try to pan in there so you. There's 4 bunk beds in here, or 2 bunks, 3 beds, and then behind the door is a door. You can see the window there is a CR. So let's go back out the front door here. Nice bolt design on the front door. Very strong, huh? So you can see the front of the house. So you have lots of space up front here too. So there's a lot of potential that you can do with this house. If you're looking to get in cheap into Portofino Heights and make a great investment, this is it. Because this house is undervalued because of the renovation that needs to be done. It's a great deal. I'll show you the side angle over here of your neighbor. This is your neighbor. You can see the side of the property here. Side profile. I really like the pine tree look there too in the front. Also in front of the house is the circle roundabout, and it's got a little garden area in here, so that's cool. And then this is the house across from you. Really cool. Totally Italian style. Nice. I really love the 4-car garage. I think that's awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this by philhome.com. Read the description below to find out the details on the renovation and on the cost of the house and the square meterage of the lot and floor area. And also then go to Phil Home Facebook page if you'd like to contact us with your personal Facebook. So I hope you enjoyed tripping this famous actress's house, and thanks for watching philhome.com.